Top management support and user involvement. Introduction. Top management support and user involvement are the strategic and operational pillars that determine the success of any organizational project. Management provides the top-down drive, securing the necessary budget, authority, and alignment with the company's long-term vision. On the other hand, user involvement provides the bottom-up validation necessary for practical success by including end users in the design and testing phases. Organizational ensures that the final product meets real-world needs and is actually usable. Top management support (TMS) refers to the crucial role played by the management in the success of any project or technology adoption. It involves understanding the requirements and advantages of the adopted technology, providing the necessary resources, and creating an organizational strategy for its implementation. Core components of TMS. Resource provisions. Ensuring the project has adequate funding, skilled human resources, and necessary technologies. For example, contingency funding, a strategic financial safety net designed to handle the unexpected. It moves beyond a fixed budget by setting aside a pre-approved buffer to manage risk and keep a project moving without administrative delays. Strategic alignment, linking the project's goals directly to the organization's missions and long-term vision. Example, healthcare virtual care expansion. A clinic might set a strategic goal to increase patient access. To align this, they implement virtual doctor visits. This choice of technology is a direct response to the strategic goal of making healthcare more accessible to patients who cannot travel. Active involvement, reviewing plans, following up on results, and participating in steering committees rather than just passively observing. Example, executive presence in steering committees. A VP of operations attends a weekly meeting to personally help resolve conflicts between departments and make immediate decisions on high priority issues.
Now we will proceed to political bugging. Political bugging is using executive authority to clear organizational obstacles, handle internal politics, and mitigate risk. Example, protecting the project from scope creep. The bugging is your executive sponsor steps in and tells the manager this project current scope is a COA level priority. Any request must go through me first. Meaning, ibig sabihin, ang political backing ay suporta galing sa isang mataas na opisyal o tinatawag na executive na ginagamit ang kanyang kapangyarihan upang maprotekta ang ginagawa nitong proyekto o project, or sabihin natin siya ang tumatanggal ng mga hadlang tulad ng isang manager na ayaw makipag-cooperate sa isang proyekto. Next is motivation and culture. Signaling to the entire organization that the project is a top priority, which encourage adoption and reduce resistance among employees. Example, creating a safe to fail environment culture. The CEO sends a memo stating that the first 3 months of the new system are for learning and experimentation, not for performance review. Ibig sabihin, ginagawa ito sa pamamagitan ng pagbuo ng kultura kung saan hindi matatakot magkamali ang mga empleyado, tulad ng pag-anunsyo ng CEO na ang unang 3 buwan ay para lamang sa pag-practice, na sinasabing learning and experimentation, not for performance review. Hindi para sa husgahan sila kung maraming magkamali, dahil sa ito ay pag-iensayo lamang. Mas gaganahan ng mga empleyado at mas kaunti ang mag-ayaw dahil sa pamamalakad ng CEO ng kumpanya. Next is user involvement. User involvement is the active participation of the people who will eventually use a system or product in its development and decision-making processes. They have two key dimensions, the behavioral and psychological. The behavioral is user participation. This is the actual activities users perform such as defining requirements, attending design workshops, and performing hands-on testing. Meaning, dito sa behavioral, ito yung mga actual na ginagawa ng mga users sa pagbuo ng mga system. Then sa psychological, ito naman yung mga pumapasok dito yung mga nararamdaman ng bawat empleyado or users kung paano nila na-adapt yung mga ginagawa nila sa isang kumpanya. Yan. Next is, and lastly is conclusion. In conclusion, the success of any organizational project is not determined by the technology alone, but by the harmony between top management support and user involvement. The top management support acts as the engine, providing the power, resources, and strategic direction to move the project forward. User involvement acts as the GPS, ensuring that the project is headed toward a practical, usable, and high-value destination. Without management, the project lacks the resources to survive. Without user, the project lacks the functionality to be useful. Thank you.